Be honest, when was the last time you ever bought something from a company without first getting a personal recommendation or checking the reviews online? Today, online reputations are so important, and it's no doubt that everybody is now checking online before they come and buy from you. So you need to be on top of your online reputation. Our tools and software make it so easy to do that very thing. We let you amalgamate all your Google reviews into one spot, because not only does it matter what review score you get, people are now checking how you respond to reviews. So you need to be responding, whether it's positive or negative reviews. Customers are now looking for that response. So how do you deal with bad customers? How do you deal with unhappy customers? How do you thank good customers? Everybody's looking at how you're responding and how your reviews actually dictate and showcase your company. So your online reputation is so important nowadays, whether you're a small business or a large multinational. It's everywhere. People are just looking online for you before they come and buy from you. So if you want to take your business seriously and you want to get a great online reputation, you need to start taking control of it. And our reputation management software can help you do exactly that. So just click the link. You've got 30 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it after 30 days, just cancel and let us know and we'll get you that refund. But give it a try, see if you can improve your online reputation in 30 days, and then ongoing you will have a fantastic business. It's going to get more customers coming through your door. The better review score you have, the better SEO you will get. It just goes round in a circle. If you can attract more customers and get those customers to be happy, and then get those happy customers to leave you great reviews, those reviews in turn boost your SEO, and the word of mouth will spread. And then beyond that, once the SEO goes up, you then get found in search results more. And then it's going to get even better, because what happens that once you're found better for SEO and in search results, then more people find you. Then if you please those customers exactly the same way and you get happy customers again, they're going to leave you good reviews, and that cycle continues. So using our software, you really can maximize the number of reviews you get, maximize the great reviews you're going to get, and engage with your customers and make sure you respond and make sure your reviews stay relevant, stay current, and stay consistent. Because that's another thing as well. Today, people consider reviews that are over a month old, sometimes 3 months old, as irrelevant. Because they're old reviews. Staff could have changed, things could have changed. You could have improved within that time. So a negative review that's over 3 months old might not be as relevant as those that happened a week ago or 5 days ago. So you need to make sure you're getting consistent reviews coming into your Google review platform. Because people will check there first. It's always the place people check first. There are other review sites, but this is the first and foremost place you need to have a great presence. So check out the link, give it a try, 30 days money back guarantee, and if you're not happy, you can get it back. But see if you can improve your reputation, see if you can engage your customers more, see if you can help your SEO of your website and business get found more, get more business, get happier customers, and let that cycle perpetuate and make your business a success. Just click the link and get started.